All right, guys, welcome back. I'm Chef Bravo for Bravo Unlimited, and today I got a treat for you. I'm gonna do some beautiful steaks with this, a nice bone-in ribeye and a New York strip to show you guys the difference. I have a beautiful Kerrygold compound lemon butter with garlic chilling right now, and just like that, here we go. Guys, welcome back. We have our beautiful prime New York strips, been resting now for about 3-4 minutes. Okay, let's take a sip of our pilar. All right, you guys, let's go on ahead and slice this bad boy up. Yes. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and do this for the Salt Bae. All right, let's go on ahead and do it. Yes. And we have a beautiful compound butter here. Okay. Let's go on ahead and put a little bit of this here. Beautiful garlic, lemon compound butter. All right, moment of truth. Excellent and beautiful. So amazing. Hope you all enjoyed this. Stay tuned for more recipes. If you like this and found value in this, please subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching.